My name is Omid Fotuhi. I am a research associate here at the Learning, Research and Development Center at the University of Pittsburgh. Today I facilitated a workshop that's basically based on psychological research on factors of success. One of the things I realized is that we are asked to do college without any real understanding of the strategies that help us compete.
And that's one of the things I'm here to talk to you about is what is the psychology of success? How is it that we can tap into our potential, which I believe is unlimited?
And that's what I share is the insights from psychology that can be applied into competitive domains like school.
I have a lot of things going on. I'm a student, I'm a RA, I run a business, so I'm just kind of always looking for anything to help me get rid of distractions, which in turn, less distracted I am, the more I can get done.
So this assumption that you can sort of endure, resist, persist on your own is faulty.
Well, since I'm a non-traditional student, I learned that I can't look at what everybody else looks like because we're all struggling. So don't let the outside fool you.
I want to spend the last few minutes with you talking about goals. Now, we're all goal-oriented people, right? We're all here because we have goals.
I'm just gonna start thinking about myself and like what I want with my life instead of thinking like what my parents might want with my life. Just kind of be my own person. I would be so much like happier if I just had that weight lifted off my shoulders of trying to please people when I need to start realizing like I just need to please myself.
We offer these on an annual basis. Come to the Student Success Hub here at the University of Pittsburgh, where folks can direct you to some of these resources and connect you to me as well.
Is college worth it? Who has some comments on whether or not college is worth it?